How's everybody feeling after those few days off then? You all eating too much and drank too much? I didn't actually drink a hell of a lot, but I think I ate too much and definitely didn't get enough sleep. Just trying to get back into work today was a mission. The body clock's all over the place. But anyway, we're back in. Did anyone get any good camper van or camping related goodies for Christmas? Let me know in the comments what you got. I did get a couple of good fleeces and stuff to keep me warm. For the van, although no one bought me this, but I bought it myself, did get the wooden boards for the floor. So what I've got is two 12mm thickness boards there and one 9mm at the back. The 12mm is for the actual floor because obviously one board isn't enough to do the whole thing, and the 9mm is going to be cut up into battens to prop the 12mm up in the areas where there isn't the ribs. In this episode we're just going to recap on what I've done this year on the van, and then what 2024 is all going to be about. So to recap, so you all seen the state of the floor in the first very episode I done. So that has been raptored. We put the fan up in the ceiling, took the bulkhead out, took the seats out, wall insulation in, and the man-made foam mat insulation stuff. Sound deadened it all. Took care of some leaks, drilled holes for some cable pass-throughs, cut holes for the windows, fitted the windows. New back bumper, and that and all the plastics, the rear lights and the side mouldings have all been raptored. New tyres and BMW wheels fitted, and they've also been painted. Lift kit fitted. Custom pods made and fitted. Every single dent and scrape and what have you on the outside of the van, that's been taken care of. And then obviously full custom paint job in Raptor. Roof rack modified and painted and fitted. Did the clutch and the flywheel. Engine service. Even took care of the Achilles heel of the Renault Trafics and Vivaros, where the water comes down the scuttle panel here and then leaks and drips onto the engine cover, which then in turn seizes the injectors into the head. That has all been taken care of, fully stripped down, cleaned, and then all sealed up to stop the water going where it shouldn't. I think that's pretty much it. There's probably something I'm forgetting. So, plans for 2024. Well, finish the van, obviously. So the majority of the work now is all on the inside. So we got to make the bed, there's going to be a unit by there underneath the window. Plan to have a bench seat in front of the bed right here. And then it's going to have drawer sliders that come out from underneath the bed for storage. The main one, obviously the pods. They're going to be in production to buy this year, hopefully in the first couple of months of the year now. So I'll let you know when they're available to buy, because loads of people have been messaging me about them. I've got my work cut out because I made a mistake when building them, because obviously there's more Vivaros and Trafics in the whole of Europe than there is in the UK. So a lot of people have been messaging me for left-hand drive specific pods. So obviously the shallow one would be on this side because the sliding door would be on this side, and the larger one would be on that side. Well, obviously I don't have molds for them because they're side specific. And a few people have been messaging me about vans with twin sliding doors. So obviously they would need a left and a right of the shallower type. So yeah, I gotta make a left-hand drive version of the pods. Once the van is done, me and my partner will be going away in it. Not sure where we're going yet. Maybe West Wales, or we would like to do the NC500 in Scotland, but whether it be in this van or not, because plan on selling this van once it's done, and that would be a hell of a lot of miles to add on to it. Once I've sold it, that's not the end of van life for me. I plan on then getting the later model Vivaro or Traffic, do all the same thing again, develop pods for them as well, and then just keep going. Gonna attend some shows this year as well, at the beginning of the year hopefully, some van life and camper van shows. We'll let you know which ones we're attending when it comes closer to the time. And I think that's pretty much it. So just want to say thank you very much for everyone who's subscribed this year. I didn't expect as many people to subscribe and watch my channel as they did. So hopefully I'm doing something right. Let me know what you would like to see from my channel this year. What you would want me to cover, things like that. What you like about what I've been doing and what you dislike. Anything along what I've just said, pop it in the comments and I'll take it on board. As I said before, any questions, pop them into the comments as well and I'll answer them at the end of the videos. I did have a couple of questions, one about the wheels, asking whether they're load rated, and the tyres. The tyres are within the load rated range, but I do believe the wheels aren't. But a lot of people seem to be using them, so hopefully I've helped out a few people with that. Whether I keep these wheels on the van or not remains to be seen. Once it's all built up and finished, I might get it weighed and then decide from there where I go, whether I get some camper van specific beefy wheels for it. I think that was it on the questions. So yeah, thank you very much for sticking with me this year. Hope you all keep watching. Anyone who isn't subscribed, hit the subscribe button because it helps me out. And I will catch you all in 2024. Hope you all have a good one. Happy New Year. See you in the next one.